Myself Surya and my batchmates are Lakshmi Sharwani and Benson Matthews. We are working on the project on IoT controlled welding robot. This video shows this robot. We have used 6 servos and which are now connected through the Arduino to the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module will be connected through this mobile application. We can connect the Bluetooth to this application, and with the help of the mobile application we can control all the angles through the application. With the angle data will be sent through the robot through the Bluetooth. We can also use these mobile applications to store the value of the angle and use it anytime. And it also has an option for inverse kinematics, in which we can give the angle as an Cartesian coordinate as x, y, and z, and the corresponding angles will be generated automatically, and it will move the robot based on it. Thank you.
Our topic is about like automatic pick and place robot for warehouse application under guidance of Arokya Saloguma sir. So we did this as a J component in robot dynamics and programming. So myself, Nidarshan, my teammates Govardhan and Sudarshan. So this is our first map where the robot take place. So here we use a four-wheel robot for the driven and a single gripper to pick the object over here. And we used Arduino Atmega 328 to be as a microcontroller of the system. And we use 7.4 voltage battery for the supplying the 4 volt DC motors. And we use even LN298 motor driver. So you can see this map, it has been completed. So another map with an angle of critically. So the robot goes from a starting point to the pickup point and picks the object or the placement, and again comes back to the certain position which has been pre-programmed. Again this has been set to the drop location and goes back to home location. So this is how we developed the system, and thank you.
Our project is obstacle avoidance robot. This is our J component project, and myself Haran presenting the project, and our teammates is Anjali and Girian. We did our project for robot dynamics and programming under the guidance of Arokya Saloguma sir. So let us see what this is the prototype of my project, where you can see there is three IR sensors and 2 DC motor, and we attach a Castro wheel in the front, and we use Arduino code for controlling this obstacle avoidance robot, and two 3.7 battery which charge up the Arduino on the vehicle. And as you can see, the 3 IR sensors which is placed at the front of the vehicle is about 45-degree from distance from angle from each other. You can see this front sensor is 90-degree and the rest is 45-degree away from each other. And as it detects the obstacle, it moves away from that path and try to move in, take some other path. And if even it finds another obstacle, it tries to change its path.
Good afternoon, guys. My name is Himanshu Sharma, and my team member is Prashant Pawar and Aniket Sawan. We have developed this landmine metal detection robot in under guidance of Dr. Arokya Selvakumar sir. So, in this robot, I have created a PCB plate. In this plate, I have used the Atmega microcontroller, and I have programmed it for the controlling of this robot with the help of the Bluetooth module. We can control this robot by the help of our mobile, and this is a metal detection sensor. In this sensor, the one diode, capacitor, and resistance is connected. So that's a metal detection sensor I have created with the help of copper coil. So now I'll show you how this robot it works. So in this room, in a room, I have fixed some places at a metal plates. When the robot is moving, then it detects the metal. So I'll show you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Krishna Harihan speaking, and my teammates are Pranav Kumar and Anna Jamini. The robot that we have done is a gesture controlled robot using accelerometer. So there it is ADX335, which is an accelerometer. It will be placed on the user's hand. Based on the hand gesture, it will be moving. Arduino microcontroller is used here, and they have L293D motor driven module, which will be controlling the wheels. So whenever, based on the direction of the tilt of the robot will be moving in the direction. When the accelerometer tilted forward, the robot moves forward, and placing it parallel to the surface is the ideal position. So when it is tilted backward, the robot will be moving backward, and again it is brought to an ideal position. And now the robot is made to tilt towards the left. When the accelerometer tilts, the robot tilts, and now again back to ideal condition. Now we tilt it towards the right. The robot will tilt it towards his right.